hit start on this one here, and still showing. So here, I've been talking to the Facebook people on the other thing. So it's 303/25 November 2020. It's still 303/25/20, whatever, like that. Okay, so here's that. All right, so okay, so we have I've unboxed 3 radios already so far. I've unboxed the this sharp here, okay, that sharp there, and this little JC Penny, and then the this one here, the Panasonic 5080 with the broken tiddlywinks, right? Okay, great. So, because I haven't anyway. So here's that there. This here. This phone likes to stay on for some reason. Who knows? Turn off. That in your pocket, you won't lose it. Okay, so. Alright, so this is a 656 JVC 656 Mark-II. I didn't even get a chance to take a picture of this thing, but I think it's just a box in a box in a box type thing, so I'll see if I can get it this way. Preserve. This comes from One Mic Boombox. I believe that's his eBay name, if I remember right. One Mic Boombox. He's been selling off radios on eBay for some time, but I didn't know he had one of these, and I really wanted one of these because, well, I want to downgrade the size of radios that I'm carrying, or that I'm taking about. I have an M90, I have an M70, I have an M50, but they all take 10D batteries, and this one only takes 8. And I don't need a whole lot of battery power to, that. I don't need to carry around a 10D battery boombox thing, so everything I have that takes 10D batteries is up for sale, pretty much, once I repair them. Or if I can't repair them, if I throw my hat in and say I'm done with it, then that's going to be the way of that too. So, very good. Yay. So we got some bubble wrap on the top, and okay, more bubble wrap. Okay, so this will be a box we can throw away. So it's in here pretty tightly. Lots of bubble wrap. I like this packaging. It's in here. It's a weird box, but well packaged. Okay. So, and then here's another school of the SUs. A whole lot of tape on here. Okay, there we go. Wait, maybe not. No, oh, good. There's just enough tape to hold this in place. This is my Christmas in yeah, so okay, so there it is. Nice. Serious. Well, we can just do it like this. How about? We'll just set it down like that. Okay, so get a. What is this? This is nothing. Okay. Let's look on the back here. Got a power cord in the power compartment. Yeah, we do. There's. Read that. Okay. Battery compartment's clean. Okay. So that's good. That's solid. Okay. So if you, let's see, so where's the remote? Here's the remote. So for YouTube people, if you've never seen one before, I did hit that button already. So all right. So here is a. All right. So here is a one of these. Looks like that. Okay. Looks like that, and it's got every feature on here that I really think I would need, which is starting with the volume, bass, treble, record mic. Notice there's no balance. There's no balance on this thing. That's odd. Okay, so it's either got balance or it don't. And then it's got your, what is this, Dolby on or off, your normal or chrome, your biphonic stereo or mono, and then your tape or radio, and then your band switch. Okay, and this got your standard buttons up here. No, see, it says Q and review, so it does have that. It doesn't have music search, I don't think so. Let's see here. Let's look at the front. Now, there's no music search, but I don't need music search. Okay, so here it is. The grills are, you know, they look like they do. It's old, but it's in, you know, clean, clear condition. It's got some minor scratches, like I saw in the pictures that you took, but okay, so much for that. Let's just grab a power cord and stick it in the other end, because this end here doesn't have a power cord, but it does have your your microphones, your in and out, your beat cut, your full size whatever, and then your DC input here. But over here is the AC input, 120 volts. This does not have world voltage. Okay, so there we go. We got that. Let me flip it from. Let's see. Turn the volume down. Flip it to, where's the radio? Okay, so the radio's in. Uh-oh. 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 Wait. That's supposed to be that. It's supposed to be. Isn't there supposed to be a detent? Let's see here. Well, there's no detent. Okay. It's just very gentle. How about here? There's a detent. Detent. Okay. And here's a detent. And a detent. But this, the radio off. Okay. So here is the radio is off. Tape is on supposedly. And then. Here's the, it's very easy to move. I mean, just the lightest touch can move it over, but there's no detent. If you don't know what a detent is, Google it. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and explain that to you. Okay? All right, so now, let me put it back. Let's see, well, I have it on the radio, so let's flip it over to FM, which has the detent. Okay, some volume.
Story of these years.
Great, so the music works on the radio. Now let's hit the eject, playing the demonstration tape, hit play. Let's kick that out. No tape. Let's just hit play. Oh, that's so sad. So sad. Let's hit rewind. Okay. Let's hit, well, let's play. Let's hit Q. There we go. Stop. Now, wish I'd known about that. Okay? Hopefully I can fix that. Let's see, because I really wanted to play my tapes in this thing, but I didn't bring a music tape with me. I just brought this because I didn't want to be selling anybody music. So...
Oh well, it's been recording all that time, so you can talk over the music, whatever music this is, okay.
Well, I know what the music is. It does play, but oh, what fun. Another box to work on. Okay, well, wish you would disclose that, but still I've got it now, so I have to deal with it. Okay, well, that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun. Okay. Wasted the battery in this machine up here, and I gotta now detrash the room. Okay, so let's see. I set this, I guess, over here next to this. Put this on top of that. Right, so this here. Right, so that one's a little bit smaller than the 5080. But again, okay, so I waved the camera around enough for y'all, so let me just hit wave. Oh, well, that didn't work. Okay. Okay, well, okay, so. Okay. That. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
JVC, I don't have, see I've got a JVC here, and I've got other JVCs.
Oh, wait, am I still recording on this thing over here? Of course I am, and I just didn't fiddle farting around. Wait, where? Okay, well, I just had a goof with this thing here, so let me manually, whoa, wait. I'm still recording, right? So put the phone down, right? Put the phone in your pocket. Sorry, just put it in your pocket. Okay, so we're done with that. We're still recording, think about it. Okay, so put that on there. Grab the phone, grab the camera, grab this thing, right? Okay, so. So, it's been what? 12 minutes, not very long, very good. Okay, so here is this. I'll take it outside and take better pictures of it, with other radios that are similar to it. So there's that. Here's this one. So that's been 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes undone. Okay, and anyway, just got make your head swim. All right, had too much fun. Good day, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.